this is Smita and this is Olive, and today I am going to show you how to make a mirror wall hanging. Alright, so for that I'll put her down first. There you go. Okay, for that we are going to need a mirror. So I'm also going to tell you where all you can find these stuff. Mirror, a wooden cutout, some stones, some pebbles, Fevicol, a Fevibond, scissor, cutter, pencil, a drawing book or any paper, whatever you have. So let's start, let's begin. So first of all, I am going to set some newspaper so my surface is not spoiled. Alright, so all these things I'm going to put the link below in the description box so you can find it there. Alright, so let's take the wooden base first, and I'm going to stick this on the wooden base. So this already comes with double side tape, so you can directly stick it that way, or you can just remove it and stick it with a Fevicol however you want. I'm just going to stick it with this. Mark exactly the center and stick it there. Alright, so press it so it is stuck properly. So we have our base over here. So we need to hang it, right? So we need a bundle of this rope. If you have any other rope, it is fine. I am just taking this because I have this. So this is very thin, so I am just going to double or triple this. However long you want, you have to you can cut in that length. Alright, so I have done this a 4-fold and I have twisted it so it doesn't come out. Okay, so now I take my drawing book, or you can take a newspaper as well, but it should be a bit thick. And I don't have a bigger drawing book, I have a small drawing book. Due to the lockdown, I have yearly limited supplies at home. Whatever I have, I am just doing it with that. So I just take a drawing book. I have a small one, so this is not going to fit in the one page. So I have to stick one page on the other. So I need to stick this over here for the hanging, and with that I need to stick it with a paper so it doesn't come off. So for that we are making this. So you just stick these papers. If you have a small paper, you just stick it one on the other. Mark this circle on this. You got to mark this circle on this, and you need to cut it out. I have already done it. Okay, so I have stuck this over here. I have marked the circle and I have cut it out. Alright. So let's stick this for the hanging. You can stick it with Fevicol, Fevibond, any kind of adhesive, whichever you have available at home. So here I am using a combination of Fevicol and Fevibond. It needs time to stick, but once it is done, it will not come off. I'm just going to pour it all over the strings. The other, I'm just going to spread it all over for the paper to stick. Don't forget the edges. You need to stick the edges very properly. Alright. So now carefully stick it so that it doesn't come out of the circle. I'm not just going to lift it up with this. because it might break. So just press it, press it, press it, and just leave it to dry for some time. So here is your hanging. You can just adjust it however you want to. Alright. So the next thing is, I'll take the pebbles. These pebbles are from the fish tank actually. So you can get it online or you can get it from a fish shop. So now the only thing that is left is, I'm just going to put these pebbles on this. I'm just going to stick all these pebbles onto the sides and I will be done. So these pebbles I'm going to again stick with a combination of Fevicol and Fevicol. Also you can stick it with Fevikwik. Fevikwik is really good, but only Fevikwik won't stick. So again you have to combine it with the Fevicol. So just I'm going to spread Fevicol all over the wooden cutout. Oops, all over the mirror. Now I'm going to spread some Fevibond. You just spread it all over the surface. Do not let it come on the mirror or it is going to spoil the mirror. So now what I do is I take some pebbles and I just randomly place it, or you can keep it one by one however you want. How patient you are, it depends according. I am really impatient, so I am just going to do this. But make sure that the pebbles are placed correctly, not one on the other. One on the other won't stick because there is no Fevicol on the pebbles. Fevikwik would be a better choice because Fevikwik and Fevicol sticks really well. The remaining stones, pebbles, I'm just going to place it wherever there are gaps. You have to fill those gaps and we're going to pour them. I had a fish but it unfortunately died, and so these pebbles are like just sitting and I need to get some work out of them, so I'm doing this. Once you've done pouring all the pebbles on the Fevicol, you fill in all the gaps. So now we are ready. So leave it for drying overnight so that it really sticks well. So guys, I have kept this overnight and now this is ready. So I'll just hang it and show you how it looks. So this is the final look which you'll get. So guys, do tell me how you like this video, and if you have any suggestions or any art and craft that you would like me to show, please mention it in the comment section. And in the next video I'm going to show you how to make this bottle hanging for the plants. And thank you, tata, bye bye. I'm going to show you, oh my god, I'm also going to, oh my god, oh that was olive.